Hi guys, it's Marty here, and in this video we're going to be covering how to create a blog page on WordPress. So when we first install WordPress, it's set up to show our blog posts on the home page. But if we want to move our blog to a separate page, this is what we need to do. First we need to create two pages, one for our home page and one for our blog page. These don't need to have any content on them for now, they just need to be published. We can name them whatever we like, but I've called mine Home and Blog in this example. Then once these are both published, we need to visit our website by clicking our site title in the top left, and then click Customize at the top to open up our theme options. Now on the left, we need to find and click into Homepage Settings. And I should point out here that some themes call this option by different names, but it's usually going to be called something like Homepage Settings or Front Page Settings. Then once we get here, we're going to set this to a static page. Then under Homepage, we're going to choose our page called Home. And under Posts page, we can choose our blog page. Now we just need to click Publish at the top to save our changes. And then click the X in the top left to close out of the theme options. At this point we'll see our home page has been updated, and now we just need to add the new blog page to our menu. So we're going to click our site title in the top left to go back to the dashboard, hover over Appearance on the left, and click Menus. Now we just want to make sure we have the correct menu selected at the top if we have more than one. Then click View All on the left to see all of our pages. Add our new blog page to the menu. Click and drag it into the position we want. And then click Save in the bottom right. And now if we visit our site, our home page has been updated to the new one. And if we click into the blog page in our menu, we'll see that our posts are now appearing here. And now we just need to add some content to our new home page. So that's us now at the end of this video, and that was how to create a blog page on WordPress. Please give the video a like here on YouTube if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing to the channel for more WordPress tutorials in future. Once again, my name's Marty from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you very much for watching.